उसकी।
क्या बात है, ऐसा कौन सी स्कूल में पढ़ा रहा है चेला जी?
देखो ना, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स का शॉर्टकट डाल रखा है यहाँ पे भाई।
हम्म। ना, ऐसी कौन सी स्कूल में पढ़ा रहे हो आप?
भाई कुछ को टीम्स प्यारा है, कुछ को गूगल मीट प्यारा है,
कुछ को जूम भी प्यारा है।
कुछ को जूम को प्यारा है, जूम।
लाइव कर दिया क्या तुमने?
नहीं किया, रुको। हाँ, हो गया। अब तो
इट्स लाइव, इट्स लाइव, इट्स लाइव।
अभी
इट्स लाइव।
अभी नहीं, अभी कोई नहीं बोलेंगे।
अमित, अमित, इट्स लाइव नाउ। Good evening, everyone, and very warm welcome to Digital Do Big Forum, brought to you by Tata Telebusiness Services. This is Anil Chaube, your host for the day, and I hope you all are safe and taking good care of yourself and your families. Do Big Forum is a learning and awareness platform where we are try and address few of the most critical technologies subject and bring forth an opportunity to interact with technology and solution expert. With a changing digital ecosystem at work, it is necessary for organization to stay ahead of competition, continue to drive better customer experience, be resilient, agile, and adaptive. While work get smarter, customer experiences are getting reimagined, becoming more dynamic, personalized, interactive, and engaging. Rethinking the flow of connectivity. And we, as a Tata Tele Business Services, is committed to work closely with organizations of all size by bringing new innovative solutions which reduce the gap between business and customer and drive better efficiency. In this pursuit, today we have brought an interesting topic, especially for business and IT leaders like you. The topic will help us to understand the importance of bringing technology in customer communication space and how a right solution can raise a bar driving wow customer experiences and changing face of cybersecurity, enterprises security risk, drivers of cybersecurity and case studies. So before the session start, I would like to take few opinion of yours via polls. So I would request all the attendees to please visit on poll box, which is available at the right side on the screen. Second tab is available. The poll questions are there. So first poll is, what are the top three trends that are currently impacting your industry? Digital transformation, COVID disruptions, availability of finance, business continuity and operational resiliency, business growth plus expansion. We have 30 seconds to go for this vote. I would request each of the participants to please give your valuable opinion through this poll. Second poll is, what are the top three areas of investment for your company? Second poll is, what are the top three areas of investment for your company? Hiring to meet demand, upgrading technology, software and hardware, upgrading infrastructure.
Sorry for technical glitch. The second poll is, what are the top 3 areas of investment for your company? First option is hiring mid demand. Second option is upgrading technology, software, hardware, upgrading infrastructure, internet, cloud, connectivity, and other telecom solution, operation, and marketing and sales. You have 30 seconds to answer this poll. I request you please all participants to join and give your valuable opinion on this poll. Your time starts now. You have 15 seconds left. 78% people have already voted. Many more to join. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much for this valuable opinion. Next poll, please. The third poll. The question is, which of following Tata Tele offering are you aware of? I repeat the question. Which of following Tata Tele service offering are you aware of? First is collaboration solution, Zoom, web conferencing solution, Smart Flow, etc. Second option is IoT solution, fleet, assets, vehicle tracking. Third option is cloud and SaaS product, cloud CRM, digital survey, live chat, etc. Fourth option is security solution. You have 30 seconds to answer this poll. I request you, all the participants, please join and give your valuable feedback for this poll. Your time starts now. You have 30 seconds to answer this poll. So 56% people are voted, many more to join. So 10 seconds left. I request you, all the participants, please answer the poll. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Next poll, please. Which of our product and solution are you interested? I repeat the question. Which of our product and solution are you interested? First option is cybersecurity solution. Second option is IoT solution, fleet track, school bus tracking, workforce tracking, and assets tracking. Third option is voice connectivity for remote location. Fourth option is dedicated internet bandwidth. Fifth option is Zoom. The time starts now. You have 30 seconds to answer this poll. Twenty seconds left. 45% people are voted. Many more to join. Fifteen seconds left. 67% people are voted. Many more to join. 10 seconds left. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Now I request Mr. Amit Chadda to take a product presentation for this further session. I request you, Mr. Amit, sir. So kindly unmute yourself.
So thank you, Mr. Akshay. I hope my voice is clear and audio is visible.
Yes, sir. Your voice is clear and your video is also visible, sir.
Visible. Okay. Thank you. So good evening, everyone. My name is Amit Chadda, and I will be taking you through modern enterprise connectivity and other technology solutions. So this is a very challenging time, and every organizations are facing a big time challenges to improve their operational efficiencies and growth. Also, the economy of organizations are disturbed due to this pandemic. But during this pandemic, telecom companies are playing very crucial role, and they are enabling you to run your business efficiently during work from home or work from anywhere. And Tata Tele Business Services is one of them. So I start with a quote like in the long history of humankind, those who learn to collaborate and improvise most efficiently have prevailed, said by Charles Darwin. You learn, you live, you evolve. Product needs to evolve in order to meet the rising needs of the market. Agenda which I will be covering is the technological landscape, SME landscape, challenges faced by SMEs, products, and followed by question and answers. So, like there was a we had hear it often, and it is so often that we have stopped paying attention to it. So basically, the phrase is like the only thing that is constant is change, and this particular phrase you must have heard a lot of time and paying attention to it. But I have also added one more phrase to it that is called disruption, which has currently happened. So the only thing that is constant is change, and as well as disruption also. So what's happening to the SMEs? So some key technologies like trends enabling agility of SMEs, which includes BCP, that is business continuity plan, cloud technology, and security. So most of the companies are going for cloud, they're using security solutions. So redefining the business continuity plan, that is BCP. One is lower business interruption cost, act according to plan, resume your operations immediately. Everyone wants to resume their operations immediately, fulfill regulatory compliance, security, which is very crucial for every organization, and also create an integrated risk management system themselves. So this is basically a business continuity plan which a SME is looking for. Some of the business challenges which were there due to COVID-19 pandemic. So it was like employee tracking, keeping a track of employees to follow work from home protocol. Second was collaboration, unable to connect distance team members face to face and unable to connect the customers face to face. Accessibility to servers, oblique applications, unable to access office data, oblique server applications. Physical travel to office and iMobile. So we were not unable to access the office infrastructure and lack of security and accessibility to voice infrastructure, unable to access the PBX infra, that is voice regulation or the desk phone which you were having at the offices. So it isn't disruption if you are ready for it. Disruption is coming. The difference between panic and poise is preparation. By going digital, you give your organization the ability and agility to turn disruption into opportunity. So basically, the companies who are using digital means or having some digital means of working were less impacted in this pandemic rather than the those who don't have any means of digital, or you can say digital technology, who are not using the digital technologies. So digital adoption by Indian SMEs, this is the data is from SMEstreet.in. So digital adoption by Indian SME, that is smart digital adoption, is the key to unlocking the full business potential of SMEs. 43% of the SMEs use various internet platforms to sell and promote themselves. 75% of the SMEs in India believe that digital adoption is the key to success. And 73% of the Indian SMEs are confident of bouncing back post-COVID. So what are you waiting for? So 5 simple guidelines on technology for SMEs. First is rent it, do not own it. Obsolescence is a huge burden and technology is not a real estate that will appreciate. So basically, to give you a small example of a mobile, if you're going and purchasing one mobile, you will see after every 15 to 1 month's time, there is a new mobile which is coming up with the market, which has an upgraded camera, which has a upgraded screen, which have an upgraded software, sound software, and other patches like that. But once you have taken the mobile and when you are selling the mobile, you are not getting the value of the same, right? So same thing happens with the software as well as with the hardware. So best thing would be to rent it and do not own it unless and until it is very important and very useful for you and cost effective. Secondly is select fit for purpose versus scale down versus large solutions. SME needs are unique and simple. SME business process evolve constantly. Build as you grow, pay as you use, because unused capacity is costly. Use your capex to grow your core business. Look for integrated solutions versus silo of product. That is, in general, the cost of integration is 10x the cost of the product. Owners will be on us or you to ensure everything fits together and ensure there is a support. IT talent is getting expensive. Ensure support is linked to your spend and it is not a fixed cost. So these are the 5 simple guidelines on technology for SMEs. So moving on to smart solutions. So basically, what does it mean to you? So smart solutions consist of Tata Tele Business Services. So about Tata Tele Business Services, our strengths, we have 60,000 plus connected buildings, 1,60,000 field marketing, field visits by PMs, that is sales team, 1,25,000 plus of optical fiber, that is in kilometers, 1,25,000 plus kilometers of optical fiber, so which is used for connecting each and every individual or SMEs or through fiber network. Also, we have 1,000 plus strong enterprise team. We have 40,000 plus business customers, 1,400 plus partners, 1,500 channel partner teams, and 60 plus cities we are present in. So our product portfolio consists of all the categories which a SMA is looking for in ITS space. That is connectivity, security solutions, collaborations, cloud and SaaS, marketing solutions, and IoT solutions. So in terms of connectivity, we have internet lease lines, MPLS VPN, lease lines, L2 multicast, smart office, PRI, SIP trunk, MPLS VPN, Hub Connect, smart internet, remote access, ultra LoRa. In terms of security solutions, we have email security, endpoint security, virtual firewall, multi-factor authentication, and web security. For collaboration, we have document management system, international bridging services, webcasting services, and conferencing. For cloud and SaaS, we have managed hosting, preparation test, secure connect, cloud CRM, hosted IVR, co-location. And recently we have launched our product called as Smart Flow, that is our cloud communication suite. Marketing solutions, we have call register services, digital survey, live chat, toll-free numbers. For IoT solutions, we have asset management, fleet management, school bus tracking, and workforce tracking. So we have added security portfolio currently and introduced some products like our Smart Flow, and also we have done partnership with Zoom, and we have added into the product. So basically, it is Tata Tele Business Services is one-stop shop solution provider for your ITS need for all the SMEs across. So moving on to the products, I'm not going to talk about on detail of all the products. I'm going to talk about 4 or 5 good products which can be of your use in the current scenario. So the first product is Smart Internet. So Smart Internet, basically this we have started recently considering work from home scenario. So there were a lot of organizations, they were not able to access their office internet during work from home. So we have provided end-to-end solution wherein we are provisioning it with internet. We are provisioning internet lease lines along with UTM, that is Unified Threat Management, and VPN client. Once the infrastructure is in place, then the work from home users can access all the office internet application through this secured internet. So it is one-stop solution for all your needs of bandwidth. It guaranteed peace of mind in terms of financial and business benefits due to technical capabilities, freedom from worries, that is like difficulty in ownership, deployment, router management, and configuration. Product features. So product features, it provides secure VPN access, user authentication. It is plug and play, easy to install, next generation UI enhances, and it also has managed security. In terms of financial thing, it is comes with a zero capex, high returns on investment. It reduces operational cost and it gives the better employee productivity. In terms of business, it is business continuity. It can be work from home, work from anywhere, work from field or on the go, and this is a future ready product. So smart internet basically is smart digital adoption. That is the key of unlocking the full business potential of SMEs. So smart internet is bundled with the UTM, that is unified threat management, with no additional cost. Cost effective. This is cost effective solution. Affordable monthly rental that starts with rupees 249 per user. It is totally scalable, starting from 15 users and go up to 5,000 users. A wide range of bandwidth. It is available from all bandwidth from 10 Mbps to 500 Mbps as a standard offering. It is feature rich with zero capex, no capex investment, and come with the security of UTM. As I told you, it is plug and play, which is easy to install, and it supports laptop and mobile as well. So this product was Smart Internet. So just to give you a case study, so basically there was a company called as Rayan who was looking for a solution. So this company is so basically this is an operation management company which has a global presence across the world, giving 14 by 7 365 capabilities, and they are into marine operations. They wanted reliable solution by which they can connect their international clients as well as office locations in India to serve in timely manner. So how we help? We provided them with our smart internet, which is a complete suite compromising of remote access, managed security, and backed with UTM. So they evaluated our expertise in the providing the cutting edge solutions in this space and deployed remote access for their employees to keep them updated every minute. So with our smart internet, which is a complete solution comprising of remote access and managed services and security features backed by UTM, they have evaluated us and they have started using this smart internet. So this was basically an example of Rayan ship management, and they were into marine cargo. So there are many more such case studies. Moving on to the next product, that is Smart Office. So Smart Office is basically one box solution for your business. So it is a one-stop shop for your office setup. It consists of voice, it can give you data, Wi-Fi, office applications, business applications, firewall, toll-free number, conferencing, and it is also IoT enabled. So this particular box is called as Smart Office. It gives you all the four things which is required, that is voice, data, storage, and application. So earlier, setting up a new office or a new business is not easy. In the current scenario, also setting up a new business or office is not easy. You require hardware for storage. You require data and information security. You have to start with broadband, and then you can upgrade it later depending upon the size of employees you have or upon the productivity you get. Equipments, router, Wi-Fi, PBX, LAN is required. You also require best quality voice and data, which is expensive. You also require office business applications for the same, and to manage all these you require a specialized IT resource. So if we talk about costing, it will be 1 lakh plus for getting all these costings for the employee size of 70 to 75 employees. So this Smart Office value proposition, it is a one-stop shop solution for communications and application need. This is an integrated solution. You don't have to pay any capex and no MZA required. This is a future ready product which we are having. So value proposition of Smart Office. So Smart Office supports 96 telephone extensions, wherein 32 extensions are analog extensions, wherein you can connect your analog phone instrument, and rest 64 extensions are IP extensions, wherein you can connect your IP phone, whether it's a soft phone or hard phone. So basically, it is best of both the worlds. That is basically a voice communication solution offering of analog as well as IP interfaces. It reduces your telecom cost for daily communication of any organization, that is divert calling to least cost medium expenses. And choice of CPs, which I've already communicated, supports all the phones suits your budget. For example, MD might require a video phone, but a security guard might require a analog phone. So you can decide whatever phone you want, so you can place on your organization. So this particular product is known as Smart Office. So Smart Office basically fulfills the need of new startups, SOHOs upgrading from broadband, new branch setups, business upgrading their legacy, that is hardware and software. So this particular product, like Smart Office, it gives you, this is a simple box which will give you voice, data storage and application, and you don't have to give the EMC and for the same. So this comes with this box is totally free with a zero capex. So moving on to the next product, that is toll-free numbers. So toll-free numbers, basically there are two types of toll-free numbers available in India that starts from 1800 and 1860. So 1800 is a full toll-free number, and while 1860 is a partial toll-free number. So need to pay the local call charges for the same. So call free, that is free for the customers, full cost to the company, that is 1800 series number. Call local, that is local call cost to the customers per minute as per agreement cost to the company, that is 1860 number series. So features of toll-free services, geography-based point of call routing. It gives real-time customized call treatment technology, is not a reset that will appreciate. Second is time-based routing, manages time and day distribution accurately, optimizes call center and manpower cost. Proportional call distribution, it balances the load at various locations, optimizes call center and manpower cost. Condition-based based routing, caller never hears a busy signal and no calls are missed. Customer is serviced all 365 days. So depending upon you, suppose you want a fixed timing, like from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, the call should be routed to Delhi, and then from 5 to 6 peak hours, it should land to Pune, so you can automatically do it. So this is a product called as toll-free services. Why our toll-free services? Because we have a pan-India coverage. We provide 24/7 monitoring to by our network operating system. Also, our state-of-art digital network allows quickly and easily rerouting during emergencies. Also, TTL USP is providing iServe web portal wherein you can route different kind of routings by your own, and you don't have to depend on TTL for the changing the routing. So this particular product is known as toll-free services. So in the earlier situations or the current situations, enabling a communication setup was not easy. Like there was a challenge, like how do we set up a distributed call center setup quickly? How do we mask calls of the employee calling from clients from their personal numbers? Face-to-face interactions have reduced. How do we connect better with the clients? So these were some of the challenges which were coming to the companies. So we come up with a solution called as hosted IVR. Earlier also we were having, so it's a very good solution for work from home user. By using these solutions, you can make and receive calls during work from home, and we can provide toll-free number on or TN which your customers can dial, and call can be routed directly on your mobile phones. So generally this particular solution was used by customer care type of setup, but we have done some customization and enabled it for work from home users as well, and for different segments as well, not only for the customer care setup. So basically need for hosted IVR, it can work from anywhere. You can work from anywhere. It has better ROIs than on-site, easy to scale up and down, and you will get reports and compliance within a click of a button. So hosted IVR solution overview. So hosted IVR basically is an interactive voice response, is a cloud-based voice application that allows business to efficiently connect with customers. So you must have a word like press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, press 3 for billing. So setting up a cloud-based IVR system, that is, it was easy. It can be configured within hours. Quickly set up a distributed call center with our hosted IVR and let your agents work from home. So some of the features were like seamless customer connect. Agents can receive customer calls on their mobile while working from home. Dynamic call routing, termination numbers can be changed in few seconds on your own. Call hunting to the multiple agents. So if one number is busy, other can answer the call. Analytics tracks team performance, call quality, missed calls to real-time analytics within a click of a button. So these were some of the features of hosted IVR. So just to give you a case study for IVR, so basically a company like a global design and engineering service company, they were looking for, they were working basically in two shifts, that is morning shift and evening shift. And the company was looking to switch their desk-based, all cloud-based IVR. They wanted to shift their desk-based, that is telephones, to a cloud-based IVR to help their employees with IT issues in the new work from home scenario. So TTBS solution. So basically TTBS provide the solution, that is they discover, they provided the system to provide support on 24/5 basis with two separate shift timings. That is morning shift. It is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and second was 8 p.m. to 8 p.m. So we provided customer with separate call hunting group. Morning shift, the call is routed to one group of number, and likewise for the evening. Deployment was fast. Deployment of IVR was fast to meet the customer's deadline. So what was the benefit which customer got was number one, business continuity during lockdown, better employee satisfaction, and efficient and cost effective solution. So this particular product is known as hosted IVR. So moving on to the next product, that is international bridging. So international bridging basically is special solution for work from home. If you are making international calls and if you are managing international projects or interacting with international customers, then this is a best solution. So this is a end-to-end PSTN solution, and you will get good quality of voice through the same. So basically, as the name suggests, international bridging services, employees can make international calls while working from home without any ISD packages. So you can connect it, you can be business, your business can be connected globally with IBS international bridging services. Some of the features are optimized, it optimizes ISD cost. Then it is secure calling, it is password protected ISD calling at the employee level. It is simple to use. Employee can call anywhere and any phone you can use. No need to install any app. And privacy, it protects privacy of employee's personal mobile number by masking it on the international calls. So this particular product is known as international bridging services. So moving on to the next product, that is hosted OBD. So hosted OBD basically is a platform wherein, so hosted OBD is an automated outbound dialing solution on a hosted platform that significantly reduces the turnaround time required to set up a customer experience business process, since the necessary infrastructure is available and ready to use. So basically, this is a platform wherein you can send recorded voice messages or messages to a larger number of people. Generally, you have seen during the time of elections, you receive a call and here are the recorded message of any politician. So this is the same platform. Also, you can use this platform to take customer feedback after the recorded message. So this particular services is used by companies, by services company, by um, hospitals, insurance company, banking company, ITS companies, and few manufacturing companies as well. So some of the features of hosted OBD, it is available as a web-based and API service. It has a campaign lifecycle management tool, on-call flow designer to create and manage customized call flows. It has DTMF input integration, and also it has a DND management. Some of the business advantages of hosted OBD are it has no capital investment, telco grade services, high reliability, cloud solution, scalability on demand, and it is a professional services. So just to give you a case study or to give you example, so basically, as usual, the customer had a huge volume of requirement for the customer service and support and required to manage excessively large volume of incoming customer calls of up to 3,000 to 4,000 calls a day. So the problem statement was the company was looking to switch from desk-based to cloud-based IVR to help their employees with IT issues in the new work from home scenario. So we provided them with our toll-free lines for parallel business to manage large-scale volumes, receiving calls from anywhere in the country based on business process and requirement. Also, we provided them with our audio conferencing to provide a one-stop solution for all the collaboration needs of the company. And also, we provided them with a high-speed connectivity, that is lease line, which helped them to solve their problem. So this particular product is known as hosted OBD. Moving on to the next portfolio, that is security solutions. So basically cyber security is required while browsing net, while protecting company servers, while checking emails, while working from home. So basically endpoint security or security is very important for every organizations to protect their assets during work from home. So endpoint security can play a great role here. It is a kind of an antivirus software, but it is more than a antivirus. So there has been a rise in cyber attacks since COVID-19 outbreak. BSE has warned cyber attacks amid coronavirus lockdown. The checkpoint researchers also discovers like hackers are pushing coronavirus app to take over the Android devices. So why cybersecurity is required, or why security is required? It is required because to protect your applications and hardwares. So we have a full suite of cybersecurity solutions which can help you to protect your applications, emails, and hardwares like laptop, mobile phones, and servers. So some of the components of the security offering in terms of product, it's in terms of products and in terms of services. In terms of product, it has data security, endpoint, identify and access management, network security, services. We have consulting, implementation, testing, operations, and incidences response. So some of the use case or risk mitigation for new ways of working, it is accidental device misuse, user behavior, and third is always corrected. So components of the solution or the security solutions, one is it is software application, that is multiple OS support, and software application analytics. You get security report, user and group reports, and notifications and alert. Administration portal, you get policy management. You can view single view of health status of all the devices within a click of a button. Also for cloud hosting, you will get real-time discovery and a patch management. So product features. So basically product features of endpoint security. The device supported are Windows, PC, desktop, laptop servers, Mac OS laptop, Apple iOS smartphones, Android smartphones. And features like the product features are antivirus, anti-spyware, anti-ransomware, application control, URL filtering, firewall, full disk interruptions, role-based administration, and data loss prevention. So basically, endpoint security is very important for your organizations. So this particular endpoint is powered by Trend Micro, and we have done some partnership with the Trend Micro for providing you with the security solution, that is endpoint. So endpoint is very important for organization to protect their assets during work from home, or and endpoint security can play a great role here. It is a kind of a antivirus software, but it is more than an antivirus. It can also work as a soft firewall and configure firewall policies. Generally, in work from home, there is no firewall. Hence, it is very effective and a cost-effective solution for your security, for the SME companies. So recently, we have done done the partnership with the Trend Micro, and we are providing security. We have added a portfolio called as security, and we are providing security to the SMEs. We want, because we want all the SMEs to get all the things, whatever they are looking for, ITITS services under one umbrella, that is TTBS, as a single solution provider. A quick comparison. So basically, this is a comparison between the other competitors. So we are providing all the features which are there. We are providing and are available and at a cheaper and reasonable cost as well. So this particular product is endpoint security. So moving on to the next product, next product, that is Smart Flow. So Smart Flow is basically our cloud telephony solution, which we have recently launched. And this is 100% hosted solution. And there is no infra required like EPBX, physical connectivity like PRI, and SIP trunk at your office. So no infra required, no mobile is required. You can save your infrastructure cost here. All the features generally you use in case of in-house setup, all are available in this Smart Flow. You can make dial-out call to the customers. You can receive incoming call from the customers. Call can be transferred, call whisper, call bargain feature is also there. Also, we support API integration so that you can integrate this with your application like CRM, SMS, and WhatsApp, etc. Also, we are offering multiple level IVR and call broadcasting by this proposition. All the incoming and outgoing call can be recorded for our audit purpose. You can find the complete CDR reports and missed call information. So this is a very good solution for working from home or work from anywhere. So why to have the smart flow? It can be anytime, anywhere communication. It allows business minds to go farther from their cubicles, free employees from their desk, allows employees to communicate on the go. It reduces operational and capital costs, no bulky infrastructure and storage, only cloud and phone, works across devices, landline to smartphones, no infrastructure and maintenance cost is there. Enterprise grade security and reliability, you get RESTful with APIs features like click to call and number masking, business continuity with an uptime of 99.5%. It is customizable, admin portal and access rights which you get business intelligence, so you can report and analytics to track agent oblique project the progress, call notes, gives call and data insights, voice to text keyword mapping and sentiment analysis, on demand scalability, ultra flexible, enable you to adapt quickly depending upon the size or depending upon the number of lines you require, you can upgrade it, works efficiently in changing business conditions, and it enhances your customer experience. So this particular product is known as Smart Flow. So why to have our Smart Flow? First is for inbound solution. It has an inbound solution. It has click to call solutions. It has missed call solutions and also OBD solutions, which is part of this particular product, that is Smart Flow. So inbound solution, you get a toll-free number, multiple IVR. You also get virtual number, CRM integration, users input and API integration, click to call solution from panel or website, OTP based calling, number masking, outbound with the call, and also COD verification. Missed call solution, SMS based services, OTP based calling, missed call with outbound integration, missed call with IVR flow, OBD solution, DTMF based outbound blast, unlimited routing level, integration of outbound and inbound flows. So to give you an example of smart flow, so basically a company like a mid-sized BPO with an agent of 500 agents who are working across multiple processes like customer service, lead management, vendor onboarding, and documentation verification. So how a smart flow can solve their challenges? So hosted contact centers offer complete call center operation management with features like blended queue management, built-in CRM integrations, agent panel, call barging, prioritizing callback sticky agent, and sentiment analysis, and detailed analytics and reporting. Also, it AI which manages call routing with smart IVR menus, and customer privacy is ensured by number masking. The benefits were how to scale up the business outcome across the multiple lead generation campaign and customer services process, and how to ensure security of customers' data while agents are working from home. So this particular product, that is Smart Flow, has benefited the customer. So some of the key benefits from Tata Tele Business Services: it is an innovative product, it is best reach, it has bundle services, it is best SLA and transparency to the self-care portal. So moving on to the next product and the important slide, that is Zoom. So basically some partnership are game changing. So TTBS has partnered with the Zoom, and we have come up with a product called as Zoom, because we want all the SMEs to get all the ITITS services, whatever they want, under one umbrella. Hence, we had added security portfolio earlier. Then we have added this collaboration Zoom portfolio as well. So Zoom basically, as a business, as a leading provider of digital solution, Tata Tele Business Services has a deep understanding of customer needs in the SME and enterprise segment, and our partnership with Zoom will provide business with highly unified communication solutions. So with this solution, business can put all of their communication concerns to us and gain access to best of the world, including trusted service, user-friendly interface, and robust security as well. Zoom solution suite. So Zooms come with two solutions. One is Zoom meeting and Zoom webinar. So the current webinar is also happening with the Zoom webinar only, and this is done through with the help of Zoom webinar only. So you can host online events up to 100 interactive video participants and 10,000 attendees. Automatically it records event for use and publish. So some of the advantages of Zoom are one-stop shop for SMEs. So Tata Tele Business Services is a range of services, solutions, and offering that empowers SMEs and help them accelerate their digital transformation journey. It has a robust security. It protects all your meeting with multiple layer of security, password protection, role-based security, trusted service, managed services, and reporting by TTBS with a comprehensive SLA, user-friendly interface, simply easy to use product, and tools for seamless collaboration across office and home working space. So some of the features of Zoom are: number one, security. It protects all your meetings with multiple layer of security. It has password protection, role-based security, and waiting rooms can be leveraged for more secure meetings. Advanced data protection, unlimited meetings. You can operate with no constraints and schedule as many meetings as you require without worrying uh, about added pricing. Live transcription enables seamless cross-cultural interactions by using our in-meeting transcription features that ensures participants are never separated by a language barrier. Privacy. Zoom was designed from the ground up to support user privacy and incorporates policy and controls to protect your information with the care it deserves. It also has cloud-based recording. Recording can be stored either locally or via Zoom to the cloud-based storage facility. You also get marathon meeting sessions. You also get widespread authentication tool, identity management. That is, Zoom supports all major enterprise identity management platforms and can map attribute to provision users to different groups via features and controls. Remote device controls allow a fellow participant to temporarily control your keyboard and mouse to facilitate complicated exchanges and interactions over the web. Business intelligence, and last is superior meeting experience. So with Zoom services, it features high definition videos, interactive meetings, background noise, and continual performance optimization, all which contributes to a superior web conferencing experience for you. So this particular was called as Zoom. I'm coming to the last slide. That is a IoT portfolio. So we also have products in terms of IoT portfolio, which is smart field tracking, school bus tracking, workforce management, and asset management. So goods transport, cargo and logistic, manufacturing, pharma and cold chain logistic companies, people transport used by school and colleges, IT and ITAs, workforce tracking used by marketing research company, FMCG and other sales service provider, last mile service delivery, and through sales. So here you can do a geotagging wherein you can geo-target your audience. Suppose if a salesperson is going from one area to other area, you will get a call that he has crossed this particular area and he's on the this particular area. So you can make it and you can geotag it. So it is workforce track. You can track where the employee is on the click of a button. Last product is asset tracking used by courier and logistic companies. It is multi-stage processing and high-value asset tracking as well. So the proposition of IoT is one, it is one shop that is single solution provided for all your need, that is devices, connectivity plus desktop or mobile applications. Second is Google Map. We can use Google Maps to give you the best of the experience, intuitive applications and in-house applications which is intuitive and meet customized requirement. Integrated sensors, a host of sensors like fuel sensor, temperature sensors can be installed without any hiccups. OPEX model, you don't have to pay upfront for the devices. You have to pay in monthly or annual rental model. So with this, I come to my end of my slide. So you can reach to us through www.tatatelebusiness.com. Our call center number is 1800-266-1800. You can write it to us on dubig@tatatel.co.in. You can subscribe us through LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Our handles are @TataTeleBiz @justdobig and hashtag time to do big. So, so that's from my side. Hope these smart solutions will help you to improve your operational efficiencies and growth. If you have any questions, so I am happy to answer you. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit sir, for an insightful presentation. I request to all attendees, if you have any query or any questions, you can write down on right hand side question box. You can see that full below third number of question box. First is about, second is poll, third is question. Below poll. We have 30 seconds for the question and answer. If you have any questions, I request you please write down on question and answer box. You can see the right hand side. Meanwhile, we have one feedback session. I request you please click on poll button. We have one feedback session. So I request to all the attendees, please participate on feedback session. Your feedback is very important to us. We can improve our product presentation, our speaker presentation, and our overall event experience presentation. So I request you people, please participate in feedback poll. The first poll is overall experience. I request you all the people, please click on poll button. You can see their feedback live poll. The question is overall experience. The options is excellent, good, average, below average, poor. I repeat the question. The question is overall experience of this webinar. Option is excellent, good, average, below average, poor. You can select any of them. I request you all the attendees, please take a part in feedback session. Your feedback is very important for us, so we can improve our webinar session. Your 30 seconds starts now. You have to click on poll button. You can see that. You can see that question. The question is overall experience. Excellent, good, average, below average, poor. You have to select any of them. I request you all the attendees, please participate. 15 seconds left. Already 45% people are voted. Maybe more to join. Ten seconds to left. Many more to join. Five seconds to go. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much for your first feedback. I request you please participate on second feedback portion. Second feedback, please. The second feedback question is speaker insights. You have to rate our speaker and his product presentation. The question is speaker insight. First is excellent, second is good, third is average, fourth is below average, fifth is poor. I request you all attendees, please participate on feedback poll. You have to click poll button. You can see their question and option. You have to select any of them. Please participate in feedback poll. The feedback is very important for us. Fifteen seconds left. I request you people, please participate in feedback poll. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much for your opinion. Next poll, please. Third poll. Product insight. So you have to rate this webinar's product presentation is helpful you or not. So your options is excellent, good, average, below average, poor. You have to select any of them. Please submit your feedback. You have to click on poll button. You can see there questions and answers. So you have to answer the feedback poll. I request you all attendees, please participate on the feedback poll. Amit sir, there is a 2 questions, so I request you please stay here. "15 seconds left. Many more to join. Five seconds left on the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Last feedback poll. Overall experience of this platform. Your question is platform experience. So I request you please participate in the feedback poll. Option is excellent, good, average, below average, poor. So request you please participate on feedback poll. Go to click feedback poll button. You can see there question, platform experience, excellent, good, average, below average, poor. You have 15 seconds left. Ten seconds left. 5 seconds left. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Amit sir.
Yes, Shivam.
There is a 2 question. First is how SmartFlow product will help for marketing.
So basically, SmartFlow product is a product, and we are also giving demos of this product. So basically, you don't require infra. Like earlier, we used to have mobile phones. So this is a cloud-based phone. Okay, directly from your laptops also you can do the calling, and you will get all the CDR report. Everything is available through the cloud thing and through the platform. So if interested, we will be definitely will call you and we will arrange a demo for you for getting this. So this you can get. One is the smart flow, that is calling. Secondly, you can also look for our services like call register services, wherein if you are doing some marketing. So if the customer is contacting you and by any chance you miss the call, you will get all the call. You will get all the missed call features as well. So this product can be helpful for you. So we can definitely have a meeting along with the BD for the same.
Thank you so much, sir. So there is a second question. If there any extra benefit if we'll buy Zoom from Tata?
So currently, so there is no extra benefit. The only thing is the service part, wherein we have a specific SLAs like we have for other products. So that's the only feature which we have. But we have basically tied up with, or we have partnered with Zoom, because we wanted to have all the services of whichever all the services like collaboration and whatever things is required in terms of IT ITS by the SMEs under one umbrella. So yes, definitely the only benefit will be on the SLA part. If anything goes wrong, TT base would be able to help you out on the faster side.
Sir, in first question, the person is asking me one more question. If we buy SmartFlow, we have to buy voice package or not?
So basically, it is basically on the channel side. So this is not basically a voice pack like we used to have in mobility, like you can buy one pack. So it depends on the channels, number of channels. So we'll have to check how many channels you required for getting calling and all. So we'll have to get the details and then we can provide the solution for the same. A basic thing would be required.
Thank you, sir. The same question, same person is asked. Then what is the difference between PRI and SmartFlow?
Sir, in terms of PRI, you require a hard phone, right? you require a hard phone, physical setup you require. In terms of smartphone is about cloud-based telephony. So that's the basic difference. So in PRI9, you require a fiber cable and everything to be installed. You require EPBX, you require PBX, you require your phones, correct? In terms of smartphone, if this is a cloud phone, just you have to click, you give the username, password, you have to give the portal access, and you can start dialing from the portal itself, from the computer itself.
Thank you so much, sir, for this answer. So there is no more question. So sir, for the commercial, I request you, we will share your contact number to our sales team. Our sales team will connect you for the smart commercial.
Yes,
Yes,
after the call, we will connect with you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Amit, sir. So thank you for, there is no more answer. No, sorry, there is no more question. So anything else from your side, Amit, sir?
Thank you, Akshay, and thank you, audience, for being on time. Thank you.
So thank you so much for attendees to join our insightful webinar. Hope you found this session productive, valuable for your business, for your employee side business, and for your remote location business. If you are interested for any product, I request you please reach out to us at Tata Tele website or Tata Tele social media handle, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. Our toll-free number is also provided. You can write down in Google Tata Tele Services product. You can see over there our toll-free number. You can click and submit our inquiry form. So our team will connect you for the same. So thank you so much for everyone to join. Hope you found this session insightful. Thank you so much once again. I request you all the attendees, including Amit sir, please stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, so we can fight against COVID together. And request you please wear the mask till then COVID is not gone from our country. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you everyone for joining this session.